Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In this video we're going to do a quick review of Reb Baron French bread pizza. This one is 5 cheese and garlic. There's the box, front and back. It's a 2-pack and it bakes in about 16 minutes. So let's go test it out. So this is going to be the front of the box. French bread, 5 cheese and garlic pizzas. It's a 2-pack. Zoom out so you can see it. There it is. And this is what it looks like pre-bake. Back to the box. Right there. That's the bottom. Back to the top. So I'm going to use my pizza screen to bake it on. 375, 16 minutes. All right, after 16 minutes, this is what it looks like. It looks really good. I like it. It's from the side. This is from the front. It's nice and crispy. Looks beautiful. Really nice. Here's the bottom. Beautiful crisp. Real nice. Alright, after 16 minutes, this is what we got. It looks real good. It's the top. It's the bottom. Feels nice and crispy. Smells good. Smells real good. So let's give it a bite. Piping hot. Steaming. It's good. For something that's frozen, it's really good. It's like garlic bread. That's what it is. You can dress this up with all kinds of toppings or use it as a side with pasta. Absolutely. Yeah, this is real good. If this is something you enjoy, definitely buy it. It's a good buy. 4 out of 5. That's all I got for you. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next review.